I'm Michael DelSignore, Massachusetts OUI lawyer, and today I want to talk about if your arrest was from the Taunton District Court. I handle cases out of Taunton District Court all the time, and the police departments that go there are Berkeley, Seekonk, Dighton, Rehoboth, Taunton, and state police cases also go to the Taunton District Court. So most of these departments actually have video. Seekonk only keeps the video for 15 days or even less. So you want to get their videos as soon as possible. I'd say you want to do a motion to preserve prior to 10 days. They're supposed to keep it for 15. Rehoboth also has video. It shows you coming in. There's like Rehoboth, there's a little cage where you're kind of sitting in the cage. You come in and they put you in that little cage there. So typically people look good in these videos. We edit them out so it just shows the parts where you're moving around, where you're talking, and being responsive to the officer. I like these videos because often I'll argue to a jury that, hey, if you didn't know why this person was there, you wouldn't know they were there for an OUI. Berkeley is a video too. It basically shows you sitting up against the wall. There's not a whole lot of movement in the Berkeley video, but still any video is better than none. Easton has a video too of you standing at the counter, and then they have video in the area where the breath test room is. So Taunton doesn't have video. State Police doesn't have any video in their Middleborough barracks or any of their barracks, but like I said, many of these departments have video, so you want to get that quickly. What happens in a case in Taunton after the arraignment? It's in the first session. You'll go up to the pretrial session, then ultimately a trial session. So with any OUI case, 3 stages of the case, you go from arraignment to pretrial to trial. Taunton District Court, you'll get a jury from Bristol County, and one thing with picking a jury is we can ask questions. We submit a list of questions to the judge, and the judge will read some of these questions and helps us determine which jurors we're going to be at a disadvantage of. We want jurors to have more of an open mind, and try to get jurors who've been in accidents involving alcohol off the jury, jurors that tend to favor the police or have police background, we try to eliminate them. And sometimes jurors that we think just based on their background that they're going to have a negative view and won't be able to look at the case objectively. What jurors are told is they can't, if you don't testify, they're not supposed to use that against you in court. So those are sort of your rights and some of the things you should know about a trial. At a trial, you don't have to testify, but you can. It's one of the things we go over quite extensively. The more I do this, I tend to try to get clients to testify if I can. I think it helps, but a client doesn't have to testify to win their case. That's a big part of our preparation. Often we'll go to the scene, look at the area, and then I go through your direct examination, see if that can be part of our defense. It doesn't have to be, but it's one of the steps in preparing the case for trial in Taunton. We also get the officer's field sobriety manual, shows how he was trained so we can attack the field sobriety tests. I've handled many cases out of Taunton District Court with all the police departments there. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. My name is Michael DelSignore, Massachusetts OUI lawyer.